Now we look at another example of prime factorization, which means we break down a number given as a product of prime numbers. So in other words, the answer should look like a prime number times a prime number times a prime number, and so on. But all of these prime numbers multiplied together should be the number given. So what we do is we can use those rules explained in the previous video. So you can 138. So we want to break down as something times something. And notice 138 is an even number, 8. And 2 must go into 138. So we can start with 2. So 138 equals 2 times something. So if you cannot see what it is, so you have to divide 138 by 2. You can do long division, and or it's literally half of 138. So maybe the quick way is half of 140, which is 70, and then half of 2 is 1, so you take 1 away from there, or you can do long division. We will also, in the future videos, we will also talk about how to do long division. So just a quick review here. 2 goes into 1/3, doesn't go into 1, but 2 goes into 13 6 times. So we get 2 times 6, which equals 12. And then 13 minus 12 equals 1. And then we bring down that 8. So we get 18, and 2 goes 18 exactly 9 times, because 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 minus 18 equals 0. So if you forgot how to do long division, make sure you watch another video. All right, so after we break down 138 as 2 times 69, we know 2 is prime, 2 is the smallest prime number. And 69, we would try to check whether we can break down 69 further. So 69, first of all, it's not even, because 9 is not even. And so 2 cannot go in there. So we cannot break down 69 as 2 times something. But then we check 3. And you may already see 3 can go in here. If you don't, 6 plus 9, we add the digits. Remember the rule for checking whether 3 goes into a number in the previous video. So we do add 6 and 9 to get 15, and 3 goes into 15, then 3 must go into 69. So we can do 69 divided by 3, and notice 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. You can also do long division. So we got 69 is 3 times 23. And 23 actually cannot be broken down. You can try to check. 2 doesn't go in there because it's not even. 3 doesn't go in there because 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 doesn't go into 5. 5 doesn't go in there because it doesn't end in 0 or 5. And you can check 7 doesn't go in there, and so on. So 23 actually is one of the prime numbers. And this is the answer. You can also use the factoring tree to do it. So start with 138 as the root. Break down 138 as 2 times 69. And 2 is a prime, so you can circle it, and which kind of tells you, okay, you don't have to break down 2. But 69, we do have to break down as 3 times 23. And I'm going to circle 3 prime, circle 23. And this is the final answer. And again, remember, if you use the factoring tree, make sure you rewrite your final answer as 2 times 3 times 23.